In today's session, we're excited to introduce UPAYm Tap to Pay, a powerful feature that turns your Android smartphone into a secure, NFC-enabled credit card terminal. With UPAYm Tap to Pay, you can accept payments anywhere and anytime, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Getting started is simple. First, install UPAYm on your Android smartphone. Once installed, you'll need to configure the app for secure and seamless payment processing. Once the app is installed, open UPAYm on your smartphone. In the top left corner of the screen, select the menu button and then navigate to Settings. Under User Account, enter your UPAYm ENG credentials. This includes both your user ID and user password. Under Merchant Account, enter your UCharge ID and UCharge password, then tap Authenticate. Now, under Tap on Phone, make sure to toggle the option to On. Accepting payments is easy. Simply go to Sales, enter the amount, and tap Checkout. The customer can then tap their NFC-enabled credit card or use mobile payment to complete the transaction. Just a quick note. Due to encryption limitations on individual smartphones, debit payments cannot be accepted using UPAYm Tap to Pay. And that's it! You're now ready to use UPAYm Tap to Pay and accept secure, NFC-enabled payments right from your Android smartphone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.